For the taped rainbow art project, you are going to need a piece of white paper, a pencil, some tape. If you know what washi tape is, maybe you could ask your mom or dad or someone at your house. I don't know if it's a very popular type of tape, but it would be the best option to use. And then you would need watercolor paint or coloring material of your choice, okay? So, first thing that you are going to do is on your white paper, you are going to draw an arching rainbow from one corner all the way up and over to the other, and then just a little bit smaller one in the middle. It should look something like this. And then you are going to take your tape. So this is washi tape. It's primarily used for like scrapbooking or journaling. And it's not like a super sticky tape, so that's why it's really the best option. Also, for your piece of white paper, if you happen to have a little bit of like a thicker, heavier type of paper, that is the best option. If you are going to use computer paper, just be extra careful when taping it because it might rip your paper when you peel off the tape at the very end, okay? And so a hint with any tape that you're using is we want to make it a little bit less sticky. So you can see there I'm putting it on the sleeve of my clothing, and that's going to get some of the stickiness off, and then it just helps it for when you have to peel it off later, okay? I'm going to put my video in fast forward in a second, but I continue to stick pieces of tape to like my pants to get the stickiness off, and then I'm just laying the pieces of tapes across my rainbow, crisscrossing it. You want to make sure that you're leaving these little pockets of areas for when we paint, okay? Now, if you want it to be a rainbow, you want to start with red or a pink color, and I'm not doing it necessarily like in a certain order, but I'm starting with my pink, red, orange, and then slowly making my way over to the other side where I'm going to be doing my green, blues, indigo, violet, but I'm doing it in like a funky way where it's kind of like being spaced out, okay? I was inspired to do this by the wall in the art room. So if you have been into the art room, you know the wall that's in there. Don't be afraid to color mix a little bit. So I did some color mixing of yellow and green to make like a lighter lime green. I did some magenta and violet. So yeah, so once your whole entire rainbow is filled in, whether you colored it or painted it, you want to make sure that you let it dry. So if you used paint, you want to make sure you fully let it dry. So you might have to leave it to dry, maybe go outside and play or do something. If you use color pencils or crayons, then you don't necessarily need to wait because it's not wet, okay? So when you are going to peel off the tape, you want to try to find pieces of tape that are on the top, not taped under other pieces of tape. I would say if you have somebody at home that could help you, like an adult, ask them for your help with peeling it off and work slowly. I know it looks like I'm going very, very fast because I put this video into like fast forward speed, so that way it's a little bit quicker of a video. But go slow. If you go very fast, you are going to rip your paper, okay? And so at the end, it will look, whoa, it should look something like this. And it is kind of like the wall in my classroom, and you created a funky, cool geometric rainbow. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, or if you want to share this with me, try and send me a picture to my email, and that way I can give you a shout out in the Laker. All right, see you next time. Bye.